Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, right here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the Dynam Waco. This is going to be either the Maiden flight or the Maiden crash. We don't know. We're going to give her a shot. Running a 3200 Spectrum 4S center. And she taxis pretty good. Let me get behind her. I think I got my throttle cut down to 70. Yeah, I do. That's weird. Okay. All right, right rudder, left rudder. Up elevator, down elevator. All right. Well, she's not a rocket ship. Boy, that prop's out of balance though. I guess I didn't balance the prop. Yeah, we're gonna have to land her, and I'm gonna have to take that prop, get that prop balanced. I thought I had it balanced. I guess I didn't. Just so you know, she has no kind of stabilization or gyro of any type. Just a plain Jane receiver. Yeah, we definitely got a vibration that's very noisy. Definitely got a vibration. I got to figure it. See, I thought sure I balanced that prop, but successful Maiden. But I definitely got to get that prop balanced or find out what that vibration is. It's way too loud. Let's see if we can visually figure it out. Motor off. And you know what I'm betting, folks? I'm betting it's that cowling. Props off. Let me take a look at this prop as she spins. Let me get behind her. Motor back on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It must be that prop, because you can see the wobble in it. So it's got to be the prop, either that or I sure hope that shaft is not bent. It's a brand new plane. Well, we'll just have to wait and see, but I don't want to fly her again for that vibration. It'll cause all kinds of damage. So anyway, successful Maiden, but we know she flies. Let's get her back to the shop and see if we can't figure out what that vibration is. That thing will rattle the whole plane apart. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.